Both Instagram and Facebook have been out for a couple hours now. Don't panic. This is why I tell my clients that email marketing is the unsung hero of digital marketing. Because if Instagram or Facebook exploded into bits tomorrow, or if their servers went down on a Monday morning, would you still have a way to get in touch with all of your followers? If you don't send out an email newsletter regularly, the answer is probably no. Since we have a little bit of time here, I'm gonna give you a super quick crash course tutorial on how to build your email list. Come with me. So I'm gonna go to Canva and search PDF lead magnet, because I want to create a little quick PDF freebie that I can share with my audience. Let's customize this PDF to your brand. In Canva, I took this template and adjusted it to my brand colors and brand text, and then changed the content a little bit to fit to my business. Do the same to the rest of the pages and save as a standard PDF. Then in Mailchimp, you're going to go to campaigns here on the left, create campaign, landing page. Here I'm just going to put example and press begin. The cool thing about Mailchimp is that they have some really awesome templates here. Pick one that feels good to you. I like this one. We'll go in here. And you can customize all of this again. Pop in your business name. You can put something like free business building PDF. Pop in your email address and subscribe if you want to get someone's first name. And for me, I like to put their Instagram handle because that's where I show up more. From here, you can scroll down. And this is the confirmation page that people get once they download your freebie. So you want to click here, confirmation message, and here's where you can put, instead of success, you can add it to the audience. You can say success, download, or instant access here. Hyperlink this part to wherever your PDF is going to be stored on the back end of your website. Maybe you drop it into a Dropbox, etc. Wherever your PDF is stored, put that here. I'm just going to put cancel instead of insert. And that way, when someone puts their email address, they get immediate access to your freebie. And you don't have to fill in all of this stuff. If you want to, you can, but you can also go in and delete stuff. Press save and close, and you will get this really long URL here. Then I go in here and I press bit.ly, make a cool bit.ly with a shortened URL. Press create. What's my title? Business building PDF. Customize back half, biz building PDF, and press save. Now in less than 5 minutes, I've explained how you can create a lead magnet PDF in Canva, export it, pop it into the back end of your website or Dropbox or any other file saving platform, then create a landing page in Mailchimp, grab people's email addresses in order for them to download it, and the confirmation message leads them directly and immediately to your lead magnet. The best part about a lead magnet is that you can have this on a landing page and have it continuously grow your email newsletter forever. And you never have to worry about Instagram being down, Facebook being down, or needing to take a break from social media. And if you are continuing to show up on social media because you love it, then it gives people 2 places to connect with you, and you can nurture your audience on a deeper level this way. Let me know if this was helpful by responding to me via email or leaving me a quick message under this video.